First, open the Spotify application on your device. Then, navigate to the music you want to download. You can do this by tapping on the search button and searching for songs or browsing playlists. I prefer adding the songs I want to download to a playlist. Your most recent playlist should appear at the top. To download the playlist, you will need Spotify Premium, which is a monthly subscription. Once you have Premium, tap on the three dots next to the playlist and select Download. If a song is downloaded, you will see this green arrow on it. Alternatively, tap on the circle with a downward-facing arrow on the playlist page to start the download process. You will know the download is complete when the circle turns green, and each song will have a small green arrow indicating that it is downloaded to your device. You can also download individual songs by this process if you don't want to download the complete playlist. Now you can listen to your downloaded music offline, even without Wi-Fi or mobile data. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.